At MTDCNC today, I'm in Devon. I'm at the XYZ Machine Tools head office. I'm with Nigel. I'm here to tell you about an event that's happening in Nuneaton on July the 5th. Nigel, could you just tell us about what you're doing in Nuneaton on that date?
Well, we're going to have a seminar there that kick-off's 10:30 till 12:30, then lunch. And basically we've invited 4 guest speakers to talk about 3D printing, additive manufacturing in its various forms, people who are used to using it. And we did this seminar in Devon and had a great deal of success with it. So we thought we'd move it to Nuneaton, a more populated part of the UK. And
what was the feedback from the event? Obviously here we have the HP behind us, but what was the feedback from people that attended? Did they enjoy it?
yeah, I think I had 2 companies say, wow, this was one of the best seminars, most informative seminars they'd ever been to. They liked the fact that it was brief. It was a 2-hour seminar, including a demonstration of the machine, and really interesting. Time flew.
Is it anything to do with 3D printing, or is there a specific part of 3D printing that you're aiming this at?
Well, we're obviously selling the HP 3D printer, the multi-jet fusion fast production machine, so obviously that has a bias, but we did tell people about the other types of 3D printing that have been available for many years.
I think the thing that's interesting to me is you actually have users of the equipment speaking at the event as well, don't you? Somebody that's got a bureau that's been knee-deep in this technology for many years.
Yeah, there's a gentleman called Graham Bond. He's been involved in 3D printing for a long time. He runs a bureau up in Burnley in Lancashire, and he was a great guy, and people asked many questions of him, and he was very, very helpful, and was a great attribute to the seminar.
Can you turn up with parts? Can you turn up and kind of say, you know, I do this at the moment and this is the way I do it? Is there any better way of achieving the result?
Well, to be honest with you, we wouldn't be able to do them for you that day, but yeah, if you could bring STL files or even prints of things, we can certainly tell you how long it would take to make. We probably won't do it at the seminar, but within a couple of days we'll tell you how fast you could make a part and how much it would cost to make a part. We need to ask you things about your volumes and things like that.
Because that's the thing with this 3D printer, it's not just about printing one component at a time, is it? This basically will print as many components as you can fit in the area in a 10-hour cycle. That's the long and short.
Yes, that's true. In the bucket, as we call it, the build unit, whatever you can fit in there, it can make it in a 10-hour cycle, yes.
So when is the date, Nigel? Just remind us of when are the date and times.
Okay, it's on the 5th of July. It's at Nuneaton. It runs from 10:30 till 12 o'clock, followed by lunch. We'd like people to arrive around 10 so they can have a coffee and a chat to the people who are coming in.
Okay, so that's it. It's on the 5th of July in Nuneaton. Included in speakers there, we have Neil Johnson from Siemens NX, Graham Bond, as Nigel mentioned earlier, and also Paul Gately's there as well from HP. So it should be a good event. Good luck, and hopefully we may even see you there. Thanks, Nigel.
Okay, great to see you. Come along. Thank you.